Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing fuel lines on a 2001 Silverado 2500HD using LinesToGo part number SS887-A. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2001 Silverado, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 5/16 of an inch, 13mm, 16mm, 19mm, and 24mm wrenches, 13mm and 22mm sockets, flat blade screwdriver, pry bar, cutting pliers, LinesToGo disconnect tools part number 3145-01 and part number 5230-01, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting both negative battery terminals using a 5/16 of an inch wrench. Remove the two metal locking clips from the fuel line quick connections on the driver's side of the engine. Disconnect the return line quick connect fitting using the LinesToGo disconnect tool part number 5230-01. Next, disconnect the supply line quick connect fitting using the LinesToGo disconnect tool part number 3145-01. Located below the fuel line quick connections, use a 13mm socket to remove the nut that secures the fuel line bracket to the engine. Raise and support the vehicle. At the front of the fuel tank, use the LinesToGo disconnect tool, part number 5230-01, to disconnect both return line quick connect fittings from the fuel cooler. Use a 13mm socket to remove the bolt at the bottom of the fuel cooler furthest from the frame, and also remove the bolt at the frame. Remove the fuel cooler from the vehicle. Using the LinesToGo disconnect tool, disconnect the return line quick connection at the front of the fuel tank. You can now remove the line that goes from the return line on the fuel tank to the outlet of the fuel cooler. Disconnect the plastic brackets from the line and remove it from the vehicle. Use the LinesToGo disconnect tool to disconnect the supply line quick connect fitting at the front of the fuel tank. Next, cut the two fuel lines at the flexible section beside the transmission using a pair of cutting pliers. Use a flat blade screwdriver or pry bar to remove the fuel lines from the plastic retaining brackets on the driver's side frame rail. At the rear section of the fuel lines, use a pair of cutting pliers to cut both fuel lines at the center for easier removal. Remove the four rear sections of fuel lines from the vehicle. Use a 13mm socket to remove the nut and bolt that secures the front section of fuel lines to the transmission. Use a flat blade screwdriver to open the plastic clips and remove the fuel lines from the clips. You can then remove the plastic clips themselves as they will not be reused. To allow more room for the removal of the front lines, remove the engine oil filter. Have a drain pan ready as a small amount of oil will be lost at this time. Remove the front section of fuel lines from the vehicle. You can now replace the engine oil filter. To begin the installation of your new, easy-to-install stainless steel fuel lines, start by installing both flexible front lines into position, routing them between the rear of the engine and the firewall. Connect the feed and return line quick connections at the engine and replace the metal locking clips. Install one of the supplied clamps and secure the lines to the metal bracket at the engine using a 13mm socket. Next, underneath the vehicle, install the rear section of the LinesToGo supply line labeled 500B2 into position. Next, install the front section of the LinesToGo supply line labeled 500B1 into position, routing it behind the ABS module. Connect the two lines at the threaded union, noting the LinesToGo color-coded connection. Secure the line into the plastic clips along the frame. Tighten the threaded union using a 19mm and a 24mm wrench. Next, install the rear section of the LinesToGo return line labeled 375B2 into position. Next, install the front section of the LinesToGo return line labeled 375B1 into position. Connect the two sections at the threaded union, noting the LinesToGo color-coded connection. Secure the return line into the plastic clips along the frame. Tighten the threaded union using a 16mm and a 19mm wrench. Connect the front flexible fuel lines to the rear lines using the Quick Connect fittings. Install the supplied clamps and secure them to the metal brackets where the original plastic clips were located, and secure them using a 13mm socket and wrench. Next, install the rear LinesToGo cooler line labeled 59A into position. Connect the supply and return line quick connect fittings at the front of the fuel tank. Next, replace the fuel cooler back into position and secure it using a 13mm socket. Replace the two return line quick connections at the fuel cooler. At the passenger side of the engine, use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the bleeder screw on the fuel filter. Pump the primer bulb until you get a steady flow of fuel to remove any air from the fuel system. Tighten the bleeder screw once completed, being careful not to strip it as it is only made of plastic. Reconnect both negative battery terminals using a 5/16 of an inch wrench. This concludes the installation of easy-to-install stainless steel fuel lines on a 2001 Silverado 2500HD using LinesToGo part number SS887-A. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.